So it's just a little past noon on July 13th, 2021, and there have been a lot of outages yesterday and today with AWS. Uh, this is downdetector.com. It's a really cool crowdsourced platform where people can report outages to various cloud services. And as you can see, there have been outages from 5 a.m. 5 a.m. this morning up to noon, and quite a bit yesterday as well with AWS, mostly affecting the EC2 systems and the AWS console. I believe, according to the map, this affected quite a bit of the East Coast and and I believe California as well. Now, EC2 is a VM system from AWS, and that hosts a very large number of cloud and SaaS services across the world. So this affected quite a bit of people. Here's an article. Actually, I'll add these links in the description to the video. But this is an article that talked about how AWS and Amazon were down for most of yesterday. Now, Amazon and AWS obviously identified this issue very quickly, and they had it resolved. So as of today, as of right now, everything is back up. But these kind of outages do happen. Here's another article. In April, there was a major outage with the DNS services by Microsoft Azure. Again, this too was recovered very quickly after they identified the issue. But during this period of time, services that companies have hosted with AWS or Azure in this case, they all went down. So what do you do when something like this happens? Well, first of all, I mean, what does it really affect? If something like your EC2 containers go down and you have your services hosted on there, this could take down your SaaS offering. So if you have a software that's supposed to be servicing certain transactions or certain clients for a specific platform that you've built, the entire system could go down when there's an outage like this, and you'd have to wait for it to come back up. So the solution to a problem like that is to go with a multi-cloud provider. So we, as a venture studio, we have quite a few different cloud and SaaS products, including Stacks, Constructs, and a few others. And what we do is we host our critical pieces on Stratum. So Stratum is actually another one of our products that we've built to take care of this and a few other issues. So Stratum is a predictive modeling platform that uses AI to dynamically allocate and scale your cloud resources. So it's a multi-cloud provider. It connects to AWS, Equinix Metal, Vultr, and some other providers like this, and it finds the best place for your containers and for your software to be placed on at any point in time. It actually does this with AI, so it predicts what your resource usage is going to look like and what your resource need is going to look like, and it's going to scale servers for you right when you need it and then shut them down after, saving you potentially 50 to 90+% of your cloud computing costs by focusing only on what you need at any point in time. Now, how that applies here is because it's a multi-cloud solution, it has a lot of systems on the back end that respond to issues like this. So if your software is currently on some AWS EC2 instances and that's all managed by Stratum, and AWS goes down, it's going to automatically redeploy your services on a different provider so that your software is not affected, or if it is, it's for a very small amount of time that it's not even noticeable at all. So to learn more about Stratum, go to the website, stratumcloud.io, and check it out. This could be a solution for your next big project, or for you to move some of your existing cloud resources onto to save a very large amount on not just your cloud compute costs, but also to prevent issues like this and take down your business in the future.